Hey guys, this is Kinjal and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you one of the most thrilling experiences of my life, which is a skydiving adventure all the way from New Zealand. I will be sharing with you all the details right from the booking process until the final dive. So the Nzone Skydive company operates across various locations in New Zealand such as Queenstown, Wanaka and Taupo. You can choose whatever location you like. We chose to do our skydiving adventure from Queenstown because Queenstown is the adventure capital of New Zealand and that's where we did a lot of other adventures as well. So let me know in the comments down below if you would like to know more about all the other adventures we did here. One day prior to the actual skydiving adventure, we headed to the Nzone Skydive Center in Queenstown where they showed us an orientation video which explains the entire experience, and then they explained to us all the packages including photos, videos, etc. Also, you can choose to dive from 9,000 feet, 12,000 feet or 15,000 feet. We chose to dive from 15,000 feet for the utmost thrilling experience. We booked a slot for the next day with the highest photo and video package, which includes the tandem driver taking your photos via his selfie camera, as well as one freefall diver which will dive alongside you and take your 360-degree footage. After all, such a huge adventure needs to be thoroughly recorded. The cost details of all these packages can be found on the link mentioned here. Also, it is highly advisable to keep at least 1 or 2 days flexible in your itinerary in Queenstown because the dive schedules here largely depend on the wind speed, so there are chances that you might need to reschedule sometimes. Alrighty, now is the day of the dive and keep watching to see how the entire experience turns out. On the day of the dive, their shuttle picked us up from their booking office and took a 15-minute drive to the drop zone. After completing the documentation, you will be provided with a jumpsuit, hat, goggles and gloves. So all you need to wear are warm layers and flat and closed-toe shoes. Lockers were provided for us to store our belongings. After suiting up, we were given another safety training from the tandem master. It was a very clear and easy to follow instruction.
Alright, Kinjal, welcome to Nzone. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling quite excited today.
Excellent.
For a skydive experience.
Awesome. Is it your first time skydiving today?
Yes.
Wow. And we're jumping from 15,000 feet, which is the highest one, so you're obviously crazy. Is there anything you would like to say to your friends or your family before we go?
I don't know. I'm just very excited and I just hope it goes well. Fingers crossed.
Cool. Let's have some fun. Boom.
After a 15-minute scenic flight to the altitude of 15,000 feet, I was nudged towards the edge of the plane before being thrown out. What an absolute adrenaline rush! The freefall diver also jumped after us and aligned himself to take our videos and photos. Make sure you smile throughout to get some amazing footage. After around a minute of free fall and trying to soak in all the beauty, the jump master pulled out the parachute, and for the next 4 to 5 minutes, we floated effortlessly in the air and enjoyed the views all the way down.
How was good? Yes. So beautiful. 15,000
The GoPro video footage includes a pre-flight interview, the flight up, the jump down to the landing, and the post-jump interview. The footage is then edited into a long-form video and a short-form social media ready video and sent to you via email link. Once you are out of the jumpsuit, you can relax a bit, roam around the surrounding area and let the experience sink in. Once the dive is complete, each participant is awarded with an achievement certificate as a mark of remembrance. Their shuttle then dropped us back to Queenstown. So that was the end of our amazing skydiving adventure in Queenstown, which will be remembered for life. Hit the like button below if you really like this video, and do mention in the comments if you would like to see more of such adventure. Also, I will see you in another video very soon. Until then, goodbye.